Welcome to virtual ceremony for ICoSeMT and INoDEX 2021 Winners Announcement, brought to you live from University Science Malaysia, Pulau Pinang. Ladies and gentlemen, to all honorable advisor of ICoSeMT and INoDEX 2021, Dr. Muhammad Samsul Nasrik Samsul Bahrain, Chairman of ICoSeMT 2021 and INoDEX 2021, our international advisory committees, distinguished keynotes, plenary and invited speakers, and participants, exhibitors, invited guests, and members of the conference organizing committee. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good afternoon to all. I'm Firdaus, as the master of ceremony for today's event. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the organizing committee, we would like to congratulate all presenters and inventors for participating in this event, and we are pleased to welcome all of you to the closing ceremony for the second International Conference on Semiconductor Materials and Technology, second ICoSeMT 2021, and International Invention, Innovation and Design Expo, INoDEX 2021. Due to this pandemic, we introduced INoDEX online in order to provide the right environment for both inventors and inventees to find the best match through numerous networking opportunities and industrial resources. We thank you all for joining us to witness the announcement today from the comfort of your living space. So, stay tuned to the end of the event as we reveal the winners of this year's INoDEX Invention competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed to announce the winners, let's welcome Dr. Muhammad Samsul Nasrik Samsul Bahrain, Chairman of ICoSeMT and INoDEX 2021, to deliver his speech and officiate the closing ceremony of ICoSeMT and INoDEX 2021.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yang berbahagia, Datuk Zainal Abidin bin Abu Hassan, Secretary General, Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation MOSTI. Yang berbahagia Profesor Datuk Dr. Faisal Rafiq Muhammad Adikan, Vice Chancellor University Science Malaysia. Advisors of ICoSeMT 2021. Yang berusaha Profesor Datuk IR Dr. Abdul Rahman Muhammad, Deputy Vice Chancellor Research and Innovation USM. Yang berusaha Profesor T.S. Dr. Salmiah Kasolang, Rektor Universiti Teknologi Mara, Cawangan Pulau Pinang, UiT MCPP. Yang berusaha Profesor Dr. Zainal Hassan, Profesor Institute of Nano-Optoelectronics Research and Technology, INO-USM. Yang berusaha Datuk Dr. Muhammad Sofi Osman, Adjunct Professor, Institute of Nano-Optoelectronics Research and Technology, INO-USM. Yang berusaha Mr. Jafri Ibrahim, Chief Executive Officer, Collaborative Research in Engineering Science and Technology, CRES. Yang berusaha Dr. Muhammad Syahrul Azmi Muhammad Yusof, Director, Industrial Centre of Innovation in Smart Manufacturing, ICISM, SIRIM Industrial Research, SIRIM IR, SIRIM Berhad. Yang berusaha Encik Muhammad Azanuddin Saleh, Senior Vice President, SIRIM Industrial Research, SIRIM IR, SIRIM Berhad. Our international advisory committees, distinguished keynotes, plenary and invited speakers, participants, exhibitors, invited guests of the ICoSeMT 2021 and INoDEX 2021, and members of the conference organizing committee. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening to everyone. Let us give thanks to Allah SWT. Together we are here for the closing ceremony of second International Conference on Semiconductor Materials and Technology, ICoSeMT 2021. In concurrent with International Invention, Innovation and Design Expo, INoDEX 2021. I would like to sincerely thank Yang berbahagia Datuk Zainal Abidin bin Abu Hassan, Secretary General, Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation MOSTI, for the kind time, spent on the welcoming speech and of course the opening speeches by Yang Berbahagia Profesor Datuk Dr. Faisal Rafiq Muhammad Adikan, Vice Chancellor Universiti Sains Malaysia, Yang Berusaha Profesor T.S. Dr. Salmiah Kasolang, Rektor Universiti Teknologi Mara, Cawangan Pulau Pinang UiTM CPP, Yang Berusaha Mr. Jeffrey Ibrahim, Chief Executive Officer, Collaborative Research in Engineering, Science and Technology CRES, and Yang Berusaha Encik Muhammad Azharuddin Saleh, Senior Vice President, SIRIM Industrial Research. This is the second time that we have organized this biannual event, and this is our first time executing this event virtually with the theme of innovation towards a sustainable tomorrow. The conference has created an effective medium for institutions and industries sharing ideas, knowledge, and expertise in the fields related to semiconductor materials and technology. And Alhamdulillah, with our first ever sub-event International Invention, Innovation and Design Expo, INoDEX 2021, this year, this sub-event is a great platform for the creation of opportunities for local and international participants presenting their innovations and inventions. We believe both of these events has led to interaction and created future collaboration among the local and international participants. We really hope that this event's success and inputs throughout these 2 days will benefit our society and nation, specifically aligning with our theme of innovation towards a sustainable tomorrow. I would like to express my sincere thanks and congratulations to all of the committee members and those who are involved in this year's event for their commitment and dedication to its success and realizing our goal for this event. Congratulations in advance to all the winners of both ICoSeMT and INoDEX 2021. We would like to thank all the speakers from various countries for their participation in this event, and we look forward to seeing you at our next event. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we proceed to the next agenda, let's everyone focus on the montage of this ICoSem and INoDEX 2021. Now, we have come to the most important part of today's event, which is announcing the winners of INoDEX 2021. Without further ado, I would like to announce the winners for Gold, Platinum Award and Diamond Award. All these awards are based on recommendation by judges. Gold awards are evaluated based on their novelty, originality, and uniqueness of the product. The winners will receive certificate of award and gold medal. The winners for the category School, Primary and Secondary: IDX 535 TADA Top 6 Air Detector and Alert, IDX 575 Multifunction Shovel, IDX 542 Self-Boosting Biodegradable Pot, IDX 484 Food Deck, a Smart Food Thermos, and IDX 438 My Soil, My Plants. The winners for category University Students: IDX 655 Smart Parking System SPS, IDX 479 Easy Send Screening Machines ESS, IDX 611 Driver in the Loop Simulation Testing for Level 3 Autonomous Vehicle, IDX 625 Vehicle Alert System, IDX 680 Highly Sensitivity Niobium Doped Highly Ordered Vertically Aligned Titanium Nanotubes Humidity Sensor via Electrodeposition Approach, IDX 471 Developing Students' Mathematical Thinking Through Mathematical Thinking Enhancement Program Math App, IDX 459 Easy Tilling Spreader, IDX 681 Dorol Cinnamon/ZNO Polylactic Acid New Development of Antimicrobial and UV Shielding Active Fruit Packaging, IDX 568 Smart Building Structure, and IDX 657 Development of Intelligent Software for the Design of Injection Molds. Gold Award category Academicians and Industry: IDX 642 Claps 3.0, IDX 571 Nanopress Water Filter Bottle, IDX 689 Augmentations of Power Conversion Efficiency of Hybrid Solar Cells by utilizing vertically aligned ZAO nanowires as photodiode via novel, IDX 511 Preschool Activity Books on Oral Health, IDX 600 Superfruit to Oleochemical The Undiscovered Cosmeceutical Benefits of Heliocereus Polycerus Seeds Oil, IDX 662 Monitoring Chlorophyll Concentration in Spatiotemporal Domain over Teluk Lipang utilizing Landsat 8 OLI, IDX 628 AJ Face Shield, IDX 639 Adapter Kit for Ungraspable Hand Clips, IDX 570 Biomass Gasification System with ex situ catalytic hot gas cleaning by a highly active AC support ion catalyst for the production of low-tar, highly combustible gas, IDX 433 IoT-based Industrial Pollution Monitoring System, IDX 463 Recrystallizing Industrial Waste into Marketable White Filler, and IDX 669 Ultra Highly Sensitive Humidity Sensor based on novel nanopros nickel oxide/zinc oxide nanocomposite heterostructure film. Next, for the Platinum Award, the winners will receive Certificate of Award and Platinum Medal. For the category School, Primary and Secondary, The winners goes to IDX for 38 My Soil, My Plant. The winners for the Platinum Award category University Student, and the winners goes to IDX 657 Development of Intelligent Software for the Design of Injection Molds. Next, Platinum Award for the category Academicians and Industry, and the winner goes to IDX 669 Ultra Highly Sensitive Humidity Sensor based on novel nanopros nickel oxide/zinc oxide nanocomposite heterostructure film. Finally, Best of the Best Diamond Award. The winner will receive a diamond medal and cash award RM300, and the winner goes to IDX 669 Ultra Highly Sensitive Humidity Sensor based on novel nanopros nickel oxide/zinc oxide nanocomposite heterostructure film. Congratulations to all winners, and that concludes our sessions today. It has been amazing to welcome such remarkable submission this year, and with the current situations that we are in, it is definitely a moment that we all should be proud of our achievement. For ICoSem results will be displayed on ICoSem 2021 website on 16 November 2021. We have now come to the end of this event. On behalf of organizing committee, I would like to thank all of you for your participation and support of ICoSem and INoDEX 2021 and making this ceremony a successful event. Bunga seroja di atas para, jatuh ditimpa buah lokan. Andai ada tersilap bicara, kemaafan jua kami pohonkan. I would like to apologize if there are any misconduct along the event. Hope to see you again in the next ICoSem and INoDEX 2023. Announcement to all participants, full result of INoDEX 2021 will be displayed on INoDEX 2021 website by today. Until then, we wish to see you again. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and have a great day.